What's up YouTube? This is Abundant Gardening here, and today I'm going to share you a few tips to protect your plants from the heat. Here we have tip number 1. Use shade cloth to protect your plants from the heat. Or in this case, I am using landscape fabric as a substitute if you don't have shade cloth. And you can check the video up here to see how that worked out. Number 2 is to find a microclimate in your garden where it's shaded in the afternoon. You can see here this raspberry plant I had to put in the shade because clearly I couldn't bring any more shade cloth to it, so there we go. Number 3, you plant heat and drought tolerant varieties like this blue star juniper. There are also heat-loving plants you can plant, such as tomatoes. Just make sure they're not getting sun-scalded, but tomatoes do love the heat. I have found that mint and geraniums both like the heat as well. This is an example of what not to plant in full sun, as that's my hosta, and I will be relocating that as soon as it recovers from this heat. Sunflowers also seem to love the heat as well. So, those are just a few tips to make sure that your summer gardening through this extreme heat hopefully goes as well as planned. I hope those tips for gardening in the summer heat were helpful and you got something out of it. And until then, I'll see you all in the next video.